Hello and welcome to beautiful Dallas, Texas. I'm here today to revisit the tragic events that occurred here on November 22nd, 1963. The assassination of the beloved former 35th President of the United States, John F. Kennedy. It all took place here in the Dealey Plaza. Across the street here is the building where the shots came from. It was then a Texas school book depository. Now I think they turned it into a museum. But this is it. This building gained notoriety when Lee Harvey Oswald allegedly shot and killed JFK. Wow. Dallas County Administration Building. And we'll walk right across here to see if they still have the area marked where he was shot at exactly. Such a beautiful plaza with events so horrific that took place. Right here, as you can see, that's the first X, guys. I believe that was the first shot, and I think there should be another X. As you can see, there's people walking all around here to do the exact same and relive the moments. That is beautiful. I have no idea what that building is back there, but I want to check it out. Here's the second X. So I believe one was to the neck and one was to the head, if I'm not mistaken. How you doing, sir?
Well,
what do you got here?
You're standing right here in the motorcade route.
Right.
President Kennedy was shot in the back and shot in the head, and we put an X in the middle of the street for both locations. When he was shot in the head in the Zapruder film in frame 313, you see the cloud of blood wouldn't happen. Half a second later, President Kennedy's rolling around back against the seat of the car with his head wide open. But Jacqueline is still looking at where he was before he was shot. He moved so subtly, her eyes couldn't follow the motion. You can't move your whole body in a half a second.
Right.
95% of all pieces of debris from the president's head wound is found across the street in the park. And that doesn't line up with Oswald's window. They found a very large skull fragment kicked back 41 feet, about where the lamppost is. A man named William Harper found it, and we call it the Harper fragment.
What do you think about that?
LBJ was behind it.
LBJ? Who is that exactly?
Lyndon B. Johnson.
Oh, okay.
His vice president, president.
The one that got sworn in, right? Right after? You think he was behind it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
He had ties to the mob, or the mafia, the Southern Mafia, I believe. And then, there's YouTube videos explaining how many people he had killed, including his sister.
Mm.
Yeah. And like...
He had some things going on.
There, yeah. Fellow over there, Lady Bird, was the... So JFK was trying to pull out of Vietnam.
Yeah.
And Lady Bird...
Who's Lady Bird? Who's Lady Bird? These are on YouTube.
Lyndon B.
Oh,
Johnson.
okay. I'm barely, trying to figure all this out.
So, she owned Bell Helicopter plus Brown and Root. They did a lot of construction.
So they had a lot to gain by staying in Vietnam, which LBJ wanted to do.
Of course, right? That's where all the money comes from, is the wars. What's this very old building here behind the flag?
It's one of the original courthouses built in 1892.
Okay.
And they kind of tried to make it look European. That's why it looks like a castle.
It does look like a castle. Wow. Over here we got a statue of George Bannerman Dealey. A nice little view of the bridge over here. There it is. Lots of history, lots of drama, a lot of tragedy, but at the same time, kind of a beautiful thing. As you see, many years later, all these people here coming to commemorate the 35th President of the United States. We're gonna go and try and find a scooter, and I'm gonna make my way down to the theater where the alleged shooter, Lee Harvey Oswald, was arrested and taken into custody. A lot of construction, but we're gonna try and make it through this. I think I see a scooter over there. So let's go hop on. Okay, never mind. I realize it's a little bit too far to take a scooter. So I'm gonna see what this tram is doing over here. Hopefully it takes us over there. Wait for me, tram. Probably not gonna be able to make it inside that bus. Unless I pay for it. Unless I pay for a tour. Let's see how much it is. Does this bus take you to the theater as well?
Yes.
How much is that? Does it just go?
$20.
$20?
Yeah.
It goes straight to the theater, or does it
No,
go
it's gonna be So it starts from the motorcade route first,
Yeah.
leave the Dealey Plaza, and then go back to the timeline of Lee Harvey. That's when you're gonna see the theater. Like when he go shoot the police and he escaped to the theater or something like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's kind of like a story. Yeah.
Oh,
How
okay.
it's happened on
How
that
long?
day.
How long does it take to
One
do it?
hour.
Oh, 1 hour.
To the theater.
Yeah, yeah.
This one you cannot get on and get off though. We're gonna stay on that trolley.
You have to stay on it?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna check out the museum
Okay.
first. Thank you. Okay, change of plans. I found me a little tram, and I think this will take us to the theater. Doesn't seem to be anybody here. I don't know if this is working or. See a little pay station here. Okay, I have no idea what that did. Doesn't tell me how much it is or anything. Could have just charged me $100 for all I know. Air conditioning stopped. Did I just break it? Hello? I think this tram is a conspiracy. How often does this take off? Oh, okay, nice. Thank you. Perfect. Just for me. I guess we'll wait while I sit here and enjoy my conspiracy digest. Oh. There we are. Alright, we made it. After circling the block for 30 minutes, I finally found a way to get to the Texas Theater. Look at that classic theater look. Ah, nice little mosaic. Let's see what it says. Make my hands respect the things you have made. With, is that a Hamza? So this right here is where he was apprehended. I wonder if it's open. I think it is, guys. Let's check it out. There knows the actual theater.
So yeah, we do a lot of stuff for the anniversary each year of the assassination.
Oh, really?
So on and so forth, yeah. So on 11/22 each year we show Oliver Stone's JFK. We also show the two films that Oswald was watching. He was like captured here today from, yeah, so.
So he was watching a movie and then he came out? Oh.
Yeah, he snuck in here. Somebody spotted him, called the cops, they flipped the lights on, found him, and took off from him.
That's crazy. You really decided to watch a movie right after that, huh?
Place to hide out, I guess.
Wow, crazy. So is there anything I could walk through and see, or is it?
You can't go to in the theaters right now. You can check out our lobby and bar.
Little lobby
if you want to. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Appreciate that, man.
Sure.
That's when I watched Star Wars also the first time.
That's the way to do it, you know? Wow, look at this, guys. All these vintage TVs, famous actors from the past. This is the theater, guys. Pretty small little theater, but interesting. Thank you, man. Oh, nice.
TexasTheater.com as well.
Okay.
See what we have coming up there.
Appreciate the info, man. Yeah, appreciate that. Yeah, have a good one. Well, there it is. They're even still showing movies. So, wow, interesting. I actually didn't know that. After all that happened, he came to the theater, snuck in apparently, and it decided to hide out there. And then allegedly, one of the workers or something like that, one of the locals, decided to call the cops and report a suspicious individual, and they later roughed him up and apprehended him there right in front of the theater. Well, there it is, guys. A little walk around from where the assassination took place to where the accused was then handcuffed, right here on Madison and Jefferson. Beautiful Dallas, Texas.